can save your battery charge in easy way. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to save your battery with easy way. First thing, you go to settings, you go to these options, battery and performance. We have two options. We have the first options, battery saver. Now you can save your battery 4 hours and 12 minutes and you have just 13% in your charge. The second way, you can do the ultra battery saver, and now you can see my battery and my phone save the charge 11 hours and 3 minutes. You can use just 3 or 4 application you added. I can add Chrome, email, map. I can delete and add music, or delete WhatsApp and add snapshots. This is the easy way to save your charge battery. This is all in this video. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe in our channel and like this video.